On September 5, 1977, a rocket launched from Earth under a glowing sunset. This rocket carried Voyager 1, a small spacecraft built with 1970s technology. No one on the ground truly knew how far it would go or what it would become. It would later be known as one of the most incredible space missions in history. Back then, scientists looked at the stars with hope but had limited tools to explore. Voyager 1 was designed to study Jupiter and Saturn, the giant gas planets. These planets were mysterious worlds, covered in clouds, rings, and many unknowns. Scientists wanted to understand their moons, atmospheres, and magnetic fields. A second craft, Voyager 2, joined the mission as its identical twin. Together, they became the first machines to enter the outer regions of our system. The original plan was to explore for just 5 years, then shut down operations. Instead, Voyager 1 continued, beating the odds through deep space challenges. It has now lasted over 45 years. An extraordinary tale of survival. Engineers created it with extreme precision, thinking of every part in the lab. It was powered by radioisotope thermoelectric generators, not solar panels. These generators produce electricity from heat created by radioactive decay. Over time, energy levels dropped as spacecraft systems aged in silence. NASA's team responded wisely, turning off non-essential systems to conserve power. In this way, they preserved the mission. From billions of miles across vacuum, Voyager 1 has traveled more than 14 billion miles away from our planet. That distance is so great that messages sent take 21 hours to reach it through light. This delay shows how small Earth really is in the vastness of cosmic darkness. In 2012, it achieved a milestone by crossing into interstellar space. It passed the helipause where the solar wind's influence finally ends. Now it floats in a realm beyond any known planet in true galactic silence. This event marked the first time a human-made object entered this unknown territory. Inside this region, Voyager 1 started studying the interstellar medium. This space is filled with charged particles, cosmic rays, and strange magnetic flows. Cosmic rays are born from exploded stars, whispering secrets across the galaxy. They hold clues about our universe's origin, evolution, and structure. Among its most curious finds were plasma waves rippling through the ether. These waves moved strangely with sudden energy. Bursts recorded in data logs. The patterns didn't match normal space behavior and puzzled every lab. Some researchers even started to rethink physics because of these unexpected readings. They wondered if dark matter, invisible and mysterious, might be at play. Dark matter makes up most of the universe, yet we can't touch or see it. Other theories suggested we may be observing phenomena never understood before. Physicist Moaku called the findings transformational, shaking old beliefs. He said Voyager's data opened a new chapter in understanding cosmic boundaries. Another expert, Neil deGrasse Tyson, also reacted to these findings with awe. He said, Voyager forced us to rethink the environment between distant stars. His words remind us how little we know about our cosmic neighborhood. But Voyager's surprises didn't end with just natural signals and plasma waves. It recorded structured patterns in deep space that didn't match background noise. Scientists were cautious but admitted these signals appeared organized and unique. Some said these could be interactions between particles, a new kind of space event. Yet a few dared to wonder, could they be signs of extraterrestrial communication? The SETI project, which listens for alien life, began reviewing the patterns. SETI emphasized there was no direct evidence, but the signals were intriguing. This led to more debates in conference rooms and space agencies around the world. Carl Shawn, a space pioneer, was part of the original Voyager team. He once said, "The absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence." His quote still echoes when we talk about possible life in the galaxy. Voyager 1 carries more than tools. It holds a message for the universe. It was given the golden record, a time capsule crafted with care. This record contains greetings in 555 languages, welcoming other intelligent beings. It includes animal sounds, music, and Earth images to share our world. The golden record is a symbol of hope and connection in the dark cosmos. It says, "We exist." A beautiful invitation sent across eternity. It's a reminder that exploration is also About communication and unity. Keeping Voyager 1 working in such a harsh environment isn't easy. The temperature is freezing and radiation is everywhere in deep space. NASA's team must carefully send each command, planning weeks in advance. One by one, systems have been shut off. Like lights in a distant hallway. The spacecraft can no longer take pictures since the cameras are shut down. But it still sends science data, which scientists treasure beyond anything else. Each bit of information sent from a place no human will ever visit. Recently, Voyager 1 discovered something new about the helipore's boundary. It found the boundary is not a fixed wall, but instead moves and shifts. This movement follows the sun's 11-year solar cycle, breathing in and out. So, the edge of our solar system is fluid, dynamic, and unstable. This shattered old ideas of a clean border between our solar system and beyond. Voyager continues to teach us about how our galaxy behaves and changes. Its data may also uncover gravitational anomalies, subtle hints of unknown forces. These forces could help explain dark energy, which makes the universe expand. Physicists hope that Voyager's journey through the void reveals hidden truths. British scientist Brian Cox said Voyager is proof of human curiosity and persistence. He sees it as a reminder that we explore, not just for answers but for wonder. Voyager doesn't serve short-term needs. It speaks to long-term vision and ambition. This spirit of discovery has even inspired new projects and plans. One is called Breakthrough Starshot, aiming to send tiny ships to Alpha Centauri. These spacecraft would be powered by laser sails gliding through the void. This future mission draws direct inspiration from the Voyager legacy. Every generation seeks its own way to touch the stars and reach the unknown. As Voyager continues, it represents more than a machine. It's a voice in the dark. It tells of a species willing to dream, build, and reach beyond their horizon. The craft now floats silently in interstellar space past moons, planets, and comets. Its golden record spins gently, waiting for a mind to one day listen. We may never hear back, but the message was sent, and that matters in the void. This mission shows that exploration is part of our nature, not just science. Voyager 1 has rewritten what we thought we knew about the universe. Its survival is a triumph of engineering, teamwork, and vision. Though its power is fading, its impact will never be forgotten in the cosmos. Each discovery, signal, and measurement adds to the human story in space. Scientists, engineers, dreamers, and thinkers keep watching the Voyager path. It is the farthest human creation, yet it carries our closest hopes. Even in silence, it speaks more than any book, reminding us to look up. Its long journey is more than a mission. It's a message from Earth itself. It says that humans, fragile and small, still dare to touch the infinite. With nothing but science and spirit.